Good morning, all of you. How are you? What day is today?
Saturday.
Today is? Are you ready for activity? Let's start your activity. My first question is, how many days in a year?
365.
How many days in a year?
365.
How many months in a year?
12.
Which month?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
How many days in a week?
7.
Which days?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Which country do you live?
India.
India's capital?
Delhi.
India's capital?
Delhi.
India capital?
Delhi. Thank you.